Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So let's do some exercise. My granddad blank tell us stories. Used, used to. What's the right answer? The answer is used to. Yes guys, the answer is used to. With ed, with to. Why? Any guesses? My granddad used to tell us stories. Means he would tell us stories in the past, but now he doesn't. Alright? So we use the structure, guys, to talk about an action. To talk about an action we would do in the past. Only in the past. But now we don't. So the right answer is used to. Next, I was born blank April 5th, 1997 in on at. Listen guys, in comes before month, years, seasons. On comes before dates. At comes before clock time, like 4 a.m. So here we have April, a month, 5th a day, 1997 a year. Listen guys, because this question is confusing. If you have a full date like this, for the day, if there is a day, 5th, like here, go for the day. So we use on. Okay, go for the day and use on here. I was born on April 5th, 1997. I don't care about the month. I don't care about the year. So the right answer is on. Next, it rains a lot blank winters. So guys, you do this one and remember guys, winter is a season. Winter is a season. So you tell me in the comments what's the right answer. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe guys. Please do support my channel for such more videos.